Bukod sa Ifugao Rice Terraces na isang UNESCO World Heritage Site, isa pa sa mga pride ng Cordillera ang Ifugao State University o IFSU, na kahit malayo, hindi pa rin magpapahuli sa internationalization. Icons Awardee ang IFSU na nasungkit ang Best ASEAN Awareness Initiative. Samantalang Internationalization Leadership Awardee naman ang presidente nitong si Dr. Eva Marie Codamon-Dugyun.
Napakahalaga ang Icons Award because it serves as a platform for us, small universities, especially from the highlands, for us to showcase our programs, projects, and activities, especially that we represent the indigenous communities of the Cordillera. You can come from a small province, from a state university in the rice terraces, and still shine on the world stage.
Sa puso ng internationalization program ng IFSU ay ang tradisyon nitong badangan, ang salitang Ifugao na nangangahulugan ng bayanihan.
IFSU has a culture of badangan, of helping one another, and every success is shared, every challenge is faced together. So I never walked alone. It's a teamwork.
Sa kabila ng tagumpay ng IFSU, may mga hamon pa rin kailangang lampasan.
Yung limited resources, alam natin na talagang kulang yung budget ng SUCs, hindi lahat nabayaran ng tuition fee. Yung geographical location ng aming eskwelahan, talagang mahirap kung minsan walang internet.
Pero hindi sumusuko ang IFSU.
Internationalization is not only about numbers and rankings. It is a pathway to development, to bring the world to our students and bring the students to the world, many of whom have never traveled beyond our region. Dream big, work hard, be brave. Your roots are in the mountains, but your wings can bring you anywhere.
There are a lot of activities and programs that they can initiate in terms of internationalization. But for now, we always couple internationalization with sustainability. And we are lucky and happy that many of our higher education institutions are now embracing sustainability.
Kaya ang Icons Awards ay simbolo rin ng resilience o katatagan, ng pangarap at ng patas na husay.
Thank you to CHED under the leadership of Dr. Shirley Agrupis, and thank you also to CHED IAS for providing this platform for us to share our story.
Kitang-kita na ang ebidensya pagdating ng pag-arangkada ng mga Philippine higher education institutions sa global ranking platforms. Ang Icons Awards ay hindi lang isang recognition program ng CHED. Ipinapakita rin ito ng internationalization ay isang nation-building initiative na nagbibigay ng mas matibay at mas maaliwalas na kinabukasan para sa bansa.
Let us use today's recognition as both affirmation and motivation. Affirmation of the dreams we have made already, and motivation to pursue even more big goals for our institutions, for our students, and for our people.
Sa Icons Awards, ang tunay na tagumpay ay hindi lang nasusukat sa dami ng trophies. Ito ay nasusukat din sa bilang ng mga buhay na napapaganda, sa mga komunidad na umaangat, at sa mga estudyanteng mas naihahanda para sa global stage.